Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and today is Tuesday, August 28th of 2018. I hope all of you had a very restful Monday for a beginning of our week. We're back for a Tuesday. It is the sixth day of school today. It's kind of a big mark actually for schools because actually the 6th day mark actually counts all the attendance that we have in all of our schools. So after today, then we'll kind of see what attendance we have in our school and we report that to everybody else. I know, kind of boring stuff, but it's exciting to me to see how all the students that we have within Perry Elementary and all the other schools. So for today, let's get to our announcements. So of course on the last announcements I had told you about birthdays. So we'll go through some August birthdays for today. So for today's birthday, for the 28th, we have Marcus Christensen's birthday. So happy birthday to you, Marcus. And I'll go through some of the earlier birthdays that were in the month of August. So we have Caden Kessler. We have Emma Myers, Elle Gustafson, Riley Osterom, Macy Neese, Grayson Doherty, Noah Decker, and Lily Freeman, and Angelina Hunt. We'll end there for today, but happy birthday to all you August birthdays. So to go into our lunch choices, we have cheese-filled Bosco sticks, I should say, with sauce, and chili cheese Fritos. Or you can choose a chef salad with Cheez-Its. I don't know if I'd actually put Cheez-Its on my salad, but I guess you can here, so I guess that would be a good thing. So along with other things, you have steamed corn or fresh tomato wedges and crispy romaine, apples, oranges, applesauce, or mixed fruits, and milk. And today, the moment that everybody always waits for to see who was picked and who's going to do our pause announcement for today. We are 3 students here who are going to talk about show respect on our pause today.
All right, boys and girls, today for our pause, we're going to talk about showing respect. So we're going to make sure that we show respect to our classmates. So I have 3 students here that are going to tell examples about showing respect, starting with Ava.
Don't talk when other people are talking. Treat others as you would want to be treated. Don't interrupt when other people are talking.
Those are great examples. So boys and girls, when you want to show respect, you can definitely use these 3 examples about showing respect, but I know there's other ones too that you might think of. Remember, we're always showing respect at all times and all places.
And that's a very good point about showing respect in all places. It just doesn't mean in the classroom. It also means anywhere that you go within Perry Elementary, including the playground, including the hallways, that you show respect to all your classmates and staff members and teachers at all times. At this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. And at this time, please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, teachers and staff, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance. So if you haven't stood yet, please do so and put your hand over your heart. I pledge allegiance
to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Great job, guys. Thank you very much for helping out with the Pledge of Allegiance. So Andrew, Lydia, and Ava, please, I forgot to give you your pencil yesterday for doing the pledge. So if you can come down after you see this announcement and get your pencil for doing the pledge. Much appreciated. Thank you. Everybody else, have a great day. Remember, it's up to you to make the choices. Make good ones. Remember our pause, and let's try to make sure that we're showing respect today to everybody in all places. Have a great day.